OPPO ENCO M31 is a neckband style wireless earphones that delivers punchy bass with crisp details. Let's get to the unboxing of the ENCO M31. We have the black color variant with us, and the M31 is also available in green color. The ENCO M31 comes packed in this box. Let me just open it and slide out the box. The earphones are neatly packed in this case. Keeping it aside, there's a quick guide, a USB Type-C charging cable, and 2 additional pairs of ear tips. Let's take a look at the ENCO M31. These earphones offer up to 12 hours worth of music playback and are IPX5 rated, making it splash-proof and sweat-resistant. The M31 have magnetic controls that let you play and pause music playback. So that was a quick look at the OPPO ENCO M31 wireless earphones. Thanks for watching this video.